Did you know the largest shark attack in history was covered up by the U.S. Navy? In 1945, the USS Indianapolis delivered components for the atomic bomb. On their way back, a Japanese submarine torpedoed them. 900 sailors were thrown into shark-infested waters. For 4 days, they floated helplessly as oceanic white-tipped sharks picked them off one by one. Only 316 survived. The Navy blamed the captain and court-martialed him for the attack, hiding their own failure to send rescue ships. The truth stayed buried for decades.